Hey there, wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what it should look like for your students and how they should access Google Classroom. Now that the assignments are live, I understand that some of us have had some trouble with it, which I totally understand, so I just wanted to quickly show you what it should look like. So again, make sure your third grade student is logged on to Google and get to their Google Classroom. Open up the classroom. And then again, everything for their assignment should be under the classwork tab. So if they click here, it now has the ELA lessons and the math lessons for this week, and then the enrich and extend, which I showed yesterday. If they click on this, I had it make a copy for all of the students already. So your child's assignment should have their name here, followed by what I titled it. If they open it, they should have access to all of the slides for the entire week. The learning objective tells what they will be learning throughout the week, and then here it really gives direct instruction on what they are to do. So watch this video, answer these questions. There are two ways they can answer it. They can either add their answers down here in the speaker notes, or if they want to add a text box and drag it and type it in there, that's fine. Again, since this has their own name on it, you don't have to make a copy of this. This will be shared to me just between your child and myself. Again, on here, they can write their answers down here or make text box to fill in the numbers. And then as you scroll, you will finally see where it says to stop and you are done for the day. The only thing that you have to make a copy of is the enrich and extend, that quarantine journal that I showed you guys yesterday. Other than that, everything else has already made a copy for your child, so I apologize for not being more specific with that. Also, the game board was not working yesterday as I tried it out, but I was able to make a copy of it and place it here. So this new document right here is just that game board within that piece, bigger, and the kids are able to access it there. So hopefully that explains things better. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we will get through this together. Thanks, guys.